Ke Hspdp Youth Wing hakalai potrik naiwing ka khot kaweria baro ki Emily but MDC jongkari lom Khasi bakin wan bani shiminta lang shakarin sanya tai but yepliu jingmut halor ka Khasi-Jaintia state haka santrik nopra habukren bikla pathai kuboru president ka sing samla san dondor rentathyang uloong baka jingpen long ye kate ka limpung ka deiru hadin biki UE ka jingshit krem ki samla bawan shiminta haka yakop tho esse halor kate ka phang ka sing ka pha ru ka jing sngolem shabaro ki ying sem ki baladu no ikbe 8 baton haga jingja hamukro.
At this hour, we would like to send a condolence message to the bereaved family at Makro, especially to the 5 lives that have lost due to the indiscriminate firing by the Assam police on our indigenous people. As you know, Makro is well within Meghalaya and it will continue to be so. 15th and 16th of this month, we will be going to New Delhi to meet the authorities out there, especially with the government representatives, that this is our step and they should also be concerned of our demand for a separate Khasi-Jaintia state. We have organized the essay competition and all due process have been completed. The only thing left now is to hand it over the certificates and to the winners of the competition. And regarding that, we will be giving the prizes and the winners of that competition on the 5th of December, that is this coming Monday. And on that day, we will be holding a seminar on Khasi-Jaintia state, where Professor Dr. L.S. Gasa, a renowned professor at Northeastern Hill University, and also one resource person, Robert June Kharjarin, a well-known advocate and social activist, who are going to be the resource person for the seminar. So with this, I hope that this seminar on Khasi-Jaintia state will give a thinking and a thought of what our late founding president has been saying every now and then, that we need a separate Khasi-Jaintia state of our own. And with this platform, I would like to invite all the 36 MLAs, MDCs from the Khasi and Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council, that we welcome you, we invite you to be in this seminar.